Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to tackle one of the most frustrating issues many of us face: weak cell signals, especially in metal buildings. We discovered the weBoost Metal Building 200 Cell Signal Booster Kit, and we've included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the weBoost Metal Building 200? This powerful cell signal booster kit is designed specifically for enhancing 5G and 4G LTE reception inside buildings with metal roofs and walls. If you've ever tried to make a phone call or use data in such a space, you know how challenging it can be. This device aims to eliminate those frustrations by amplifying the cell signal throughout your structure. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this kit. First off, it boasts the capability to cover up to 10,000 square feet. This means whether you're in a small office, a retail warehouse, or even a mechanic shop, you can enjoy clearer calls and faster data speeds. The kit is powered by the weBoost Office 200 amplifier, which provides an impressive gain of up to 72 dB and uplink power of up to 25 dBm. This level of amplification ensures that you maintain efficient operations even when the signal conditions are not ideal. One of the key selling points of the weBoost Metal Building 200 is its design for semi-rural areas. If you live or work in a location where the outdoor reception is moderately weak, this booster is engineered to help you reach cell towers that are further away. The directional outdoor Yagi antenna is particularly effective, as it can send and receive signals from a specific direction up to 3 to 5 miles away. While it might require some aiming to get optimal performance, once set up, it can significantly enhance your connectivity. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you operate in a metal building and struggle with poor reception, this booster could be a game changer for you. It's perfect for business owners in warehouses, fabrication shops, and even indoor recreational facilities where a reliable cell signal is crucial for communication and data transfer. Imagine running a busy mechanic shop where customers need to reach you without dropping calls, or a retail warehouse where team members rely on their devices for daily operations. The weBoost Metal Building 200 ensures that everyone stays connected, improving productivity and customer service. In summary, the weBoost Metal Building 200 Cell Signal Booster Kit is an essential investment for anyone dealing with weak cellular reception in metal buildings. Its robust features, expansive coverage, and ease of use make it a reliable solution for both personal and professional environments. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.